Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all of our amazing listeners around the world. I am Alex. Welcome to Day 8.
Day 8. Wow, you're doing so well. Every time you listen to a new episode, your brain is learning more English and building your vocabulary. Keep going. You've got this.
Yes, just 10 minutes a day makes a very big difference. So, Emma, we are still in week 2, talking about our daily lives.
That is right. Yesterday on day 7, we talked about our commute. We arrived at our workplace or our school.
So, today we need to talk about what happens next. What do we do all day?
Exactly. Today's topic is a day at work or school. We are going to learn simple words to describe your workday.
Let's start with the morning. When you arrive at your office, Emma, what is the very first thing you do?
Well, I walk to my desk. I sit down in my comfortable chair. Then I turn on my computer.
Do you start drawing immediately?
No, not yet. First, I check my emails. I read messages from my boss and my colleagues. I reply to the emails.
Checking emails. That is a very common task for people who work in an office.
Yes, it is. What about you, Alex? When you arrive at your school, what do you do?
I go to the canteen first to get a coffee. That's my second coffee of the day. I don't spend much time sitting at a desk. Then I walk into my classroom and say good morning to all my students.
Do you check emails?
A little bit, but mostly I prepare my lesson. I stand up and I write English words on the big whiteboard.
Your job is very active. You stand, you walk around the classroom, and you talk a lot.
Yes, I talk all day. My students read books, write in their notebooks, and we practice speaking. It keeps me busy, but I really enjoy it. What do you do after you check your emails, Emma?
For me, I usually have a meeting at around 10 a.m.
A meeting?
Yes, a meeting is when you sit with your colleagues and talk about your work. We share ideas and plan our projects.
Nice. Do you like meetings?
Sometimes, but sometimes they are a little bit boring. After the meeting, I go back to my desk and I start my graphic design work. I look at my computer screen for a long time.
That sounds like a lot of hard work. When you work hard, you need to rest.
Yes, absolutely. In English, we call this taking a break.
I love taking a break. At my school, break time is at 11 a.m. I go to the teacher's room, I drink some water, and I eat a small snack.
Taking a break is very important for your brain. I take a break at 12:30 p.m. for my lunch. I step away from my computer and I go outside for a walk.
That is a great habit, Emma. So our listeners can use these simple verbs to talk about their day.
Yes. If you work in an office, you can say, I sit at my desk. I check my emails. And I have a meeting.
If you are a student, or if you are a teacher like me, you can say, I go to class. I read books. And I talk to my students.
And everyone can say, I take a break.
Let's practice a quick conversation. Imagine we are talking on the phone during our lunch break.
Okay. Ring, ring. Hello, Alex?
Hi, Emma. How was your day at work?
It's been very busy. I checked a lot of emails this morning, and I had a long meeting. How's your day going?
My day is good. I wrote on the whiteboard and talked to my students all morning. I am very tired, so I am taking a break now.
That's good. Enjoy your break.
That was a perfect phone call.
Yes. Listeners, you can use these sentences to tell your family or friends about your day.
Now it is time for our vocabulary highlight. We are going to explain 2 very useful words from today's chat.
The first word is meeting. M-E-E-T-I-N-G. Meeting.
A meeting is an event where people come together to talk about work. Usually you sit in a room with your colleagues or your boss.
You can say, I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. Or, my meeting was very long.
The second phrase is take a break. T-A-K-E. A-B-R-E-A-K. Take a break.
To take a break means to stop working or studying for a short time, to rest. You relax, you drink water, or you stretch your body.
Whenever you feel tired at work, you should take a break.
Okay, everyone. It is time for our shadowing practice.
Yay! Shadowing practice time. Let's practice talking about work and school.
We will say a simple sentence. Then we will pause.
Yes, and during the pause, you must speak out loud. Copy our speed and pronunciation. Don't be shy. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. I sit at my desk and turn on my computer.
Sentence number 2. I check my emails every morning.
Sentence number 3. I go to class and read my books.
Sentence number 4. I write on the whiteboard.
Sentence number 5. I have a meeting with my boss.
Sentence number 6. I am tired, so I will take a break.
Excellent job! Your speaking is getting more natural every single day.
Yes! We can hear your confidence growing. Keep practicing out loud.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 8.
We want to know what you do all day.
The question is, what are 2 things you do at work or at school?
Go to the comment section and practice your writing. Tell us about your tasks.
You can write, at work, I check my emails and I have meetings. Or, at school, I read books and I talk to my friends.
Or maybe you work in a restaurant. You can write, at work, I take orders from customers and I take a break.
Exactly. And do not forget our most important rule. Type Day 8 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, keep that amazing daily streak going. You are unstoppable.
Thank you so much for joining us for day 8 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
If you liked today's episode, please make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Chats.
And please hit the like button. It helps YouTube show this video to other people who want to learn English.
We will be back tomorrow for day 9. Have a great day at work or school, everyone.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.